Hi NutriFam! Ever wonder why we belch after eating or drinking? When we eat, we swallow tiny amounts of air, and this air travels to our stomach. When it builds up, it gets released from the mouth as a belch. It's your stomach way of saying, I'm full of air, let's let some air out. But here is the catch. Constant and excessive belching means that you are eating too fast, talking while eating, taking fizzy drink, or even an acid reflux. So, the next time you belch, thank your stomach for releasing pressure. Want more nutri tips like this? Follow me for more. Thank you.